Alright.
Jammy, what are you doing? What are you doing out in the rain?
We're excited. We're going to see the surfer today. Can't wait. They said there's a major update. Starts off with water. Alright, buddy. You okay?
Wes, miserable.
Oh, tell me about it.
Disgusting, Gary.
But yeah, so we're going to go to Andy Robinson's cages today. We're going to see an update on the car. But really, I'm going to pick up my half cage, which he chopped out for me.
To put in.
So big shout out to them for doing that. So yeah. So we need to try and fit it in there and let's go. I don't know what the frig you're doing.
Bro, having a seizure.
You think you're bad with your 1,000 subscribers?
Bro, 1010, that's what we are, Jammy.
1010.
Yeah, okay, today we've got this SVR. This is a refresher car.
Shall I see if this shit starts?
Nah, child, but get it front in, man. It's raining.
1 minute, man. Let me just see
I'm
in it.
soaked. Beautiful, don't stop. Front end. Let's hide under the Kia. Alright, Jamin thinks he's a bit of a cricketer. Hopefully he's got his cricket stuff in here. Alright, let's do a little review on his setup, yeah?
I don't think I know.
He thinks he's a cricketer. He made 40 runs in 38 overs. Or whatever he is. Bro, what the heck is this, bro? They play with a Ting.
Oh, they're gonna blow away.
What's this, bro?
Indoor ball, innit?
No, it's not, man. This is something you play fetch with your dog. Go fetch. I was gonna chuck him.
Bring your car.
Bring my car.
I mean, no. Where's your player? You've been telling me you're gonna bring a player to play with me.
Shuggy, land it. You're getting called out. Shuggy, bro.
Have all the training in the world. You ain't touching, man.
He's losing out on 400 quid on the Friday to play with you.
You know what? We'll make it even better.
We'll give him 500 quid.
These toys from one of my niece and nephews. They love Tykes car and I thought they look so adorable. But listen, what I was gonna say was, we can pick any day he wants to play.
Friday.
Okay.
Friday. Yeah. Okay. Cold, wet, miserable, Jam.
Cold, wet, miserable. You just took the bloody postman's words.
Oh yeah. Gary's. Sorry, I forgot to close that. Hey, I didn't check the rest of your gear.
That's my bat.
Yeah, you're an amateur, man.
That's AJ's bat.
Amateurs.
That's my Sparta.
Amateurs.
And that's Goofy's bat.
Amateurs.
You wish, bro. You can't even hold a stick.
You know what? You're pretty correct. Yeah, how much for the Lambo?
Which Lambo? Oh, nah.
Oh, nah.
That's soon project. Oh, yeah, I brought these.
Oh, yeah.
For the window. You need to hold this one, man.
I'm freezing, mate. So I ain't holding this. I'm keeping. Whoa. This is the actual carbon. It's not the fake stuff I buy. This is so light. It's blowing away. Woohoo.
Light, innit?
It's real carbon, that's why. Yeah. You don't need that anymore, do you, Jam?
Nah, bro, got too much power. So I'm going to put in the all-wheel drive, okay?
There we go. Exciting news.
Très bien.
Unbelievably freaking light, that Jam, eh? Cabron, and cabron. Partup.
You know, when I first bought these, I was so delicate with them.
And now you're just yeeting them in the back of the car.
Now we need to get one more thing in the car, yeah.
Go on.
We need to get...
Is that me?
Nah.
Well,
you're going on, bro.
Oh, go on then. Go on then, Jammy.
See you later, mate.
Yeah. No, I'm driver number 96.
Where's that boy Sabil, bro?
Here he is. He's coming the bus. Sabil, mate, is that you?
Oh, he's in the Tandy bus.
Sabil. No, that's not Sabil. What's left?
The window.
I'm freezing me freaking...
The Perspex.
That Perspex, Jam.
I don't know where
Yo,
it's
shout out to A-Line.
A-line. I don't think it can go there like that.
You
just bend it.
No.
You know what? I know what to do.
Put it under the cabron. You're going to put it under the cabron?
Hold this, but it flies away.
If it flies away, Jammy, I ain't paying for it.
They're only like a couple £100.
Yeah, still. Couple £100.
The problem is, it ain't how expensive they are.
About lead time.
It's not even that, it's just shipping.
Chipping. Chips. This geezer's got me standing in the rain, howling me.
I can't even get in, that's how bad my fucking back is.
Who told you to play cricket, you hero?
Me hands, brother. Oh, you know, give me the window. I think I can put the window in the back now.
Makes the wheel hold it the entire journey. Oh, it says Saj here. Yeah. You're not John. You're a nice guy, you know.
Okay, it can't go there.
Saj A. Woo.
We're back again.
Oh, fine, I'll help you. I fucking did it, Jammy. You don't like it?
No.
Fine. Well done, mate.
I told you.
Fantastic.
It looks like you ain't played Tetris.
I don't play Tetris. You know what I play? Farmville. I grow cabbages. I don't. I can play Farmville. And let's go!
We can't go in, we're missing the passenger.
So we have landed now at Andy Robinson's and we're going to look at the car and see how much
What are you whispering, Jam?
Because I'm excited. Leave me alone, right?
What? Hang on, look at the angles.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, wait, let's act like Saj and his vlogs. Let's go, baby.
Let's go, baby. No, it should be Gucci.
Oh, my back.
That's my favourite one. Yeah, my name is Jamshade. I do cricket. My back hurts. Plus spanking bowling. 2-0.
Because then while you're underneath, at least then you know how much height you want to put on.
Yeah, I've got it over.
Yeah, I saw it. Amazing.
Find your dream car.
And I'm just debating on the wheels because you have to buy certain 15x7 on the back.
If you know, you know.
Props.
Sabia
and
loves it.
I've checked.
I love it.
Okay, listen, they've done this a favour to me, and they patterned me with this. So not only it's just a 7.5 cage, it's an ultimate cage.
The ultimate cage.
The ultimate. So there's no
The
restriction.
big man.
There's no restriction. You see
The big man.
So they have done the madness, the BM to the T. So they've gone cage underneath the car.
Yeah, do you see all the bars? No. So they go there, that's how they do them on all the pro mods and all of that. So it goes, your car's fully unlimited.
Because normally everything that you see is restricted. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Jeremy, what you thinking of your car, lad?
I am very, very, very excited at the minute. So bars are in.
Bar?
But they're gonna move my seat around a bit because when I was a fat guy, what they done was we just put the seat back in. And obviously it's a bit sitting too much on this side, so we're going to move it back that side. But yeah, man, it's amazing.
It's coming along now, isn't it,
Getting
Jamie?
goosebumps.
You got your steering rack in on that?
No, not yet. Mr.
Not yet.
Andy.
So that 750 comes up pretty quickly.
Yes.
So as soon as you've got no restriction, you haven't got to worry.
Yeah.
You just do what you want.
That's it.
No one's going to say to you, your car's not legal.
Yeah, amazing, man. Amazing. I think the next most exciting thing is when I bring it back to get it corner balance. I've never done it in the last 5 years. I've just messing around racing.
Yeah.
Just gone to our locals, got it tracked and went to the track. But I think when that comes and we get the height right on it, I think it's going to help the 60 foot so much. I think the best 60 foot in a Civic here was 139, I think it was.
Okay.
I think it was Kale Peterson, I don't know if you remember him. And I'm at 143 and I do consistent 143, but I do think there's a lot more in the chassis to get that drop. And then that'll be the 7 straight away because I think that's what's
But it's low molly, it's going to be stiffer for you as well. So you should be able then, and because we're going through the front as well, so yeah, it'll help.
It's when you watch them slow-mos, what they do at pod, you can see the front end doing it.
Oh, it shuffles.
Yeah.
Shimmies. Yeah, that's not unusual.
It's like, what's going on there? But it's one of them ones. But I'm excited, to be honest, and I appreciate everything that you do.
The 25.1 sticker, not 25.4. Basically, there's no limit. You've got 6 if you want.
Wait.
They're going to find your best way to get in your car.
Yeah.
If anything, even if this does come across more, I can reach that more easier anyway, so.
And then your parachute release was up here, wasn't it?
Yes.
That's where you like
Yeah,
it?
I prefer it that way, just throwing that way, yeah. Yeah, I think that's all right, to be honest. Obviously, you're going to be more this way in a sense, isn't it?
Yeah. The funny car cage is going to be basically come from
Yeah.
here and then come over
Yeah.
down here like that and come back. It's quite a big cage because of where everything's placed.
Yes.
Especially now you've said that you're conscious of.
Yeah, we can get 2 inches on that.
Yeah, now you said that you're conscious of your head being so close to the roll cage in the existing setup. I think it'd be worth actually moving it over a little
that's
bit.
fine, man. That's cool. I
'cause-
just think this ain't a problem.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy with that
Anything to make you feel less claustrophobic is a
Yeah,
good thing,
yeah.
really. 'Cause and then you're going to be so much more confident driving it,
too. Definitely. So the only bar that actually makes it a bit harder for me is this, obviously.
Yes.
But that's because I think I got my other trousers on today. But that'll be alright.
Like I said before, in an ideal situation, you probably sit you a bit further back and move the whole, probably have a floor-mounted pedal box, and then this tube could be a bit further back. You'd have a bit more space to get out, but it's a lot of work to change the whole pedal box, the steering column, and shift the position.
Yes. So
But we're going to put a different
I always
column
take
in
it.
it.
I know we've got your column.
Yeah, we're going, but we might look at that and change it a bit.
And there's not going to be no more keyner either.
That'll all go.
Yeah. So that's all
So
good.
literally it'll just be a straight column.
Yeah.
nothing
Straight.
on it.
Yeah. So it should be a bit more spacious than that.
None of that controls are used.
No. I used to use, I think it was this one for scramble button, but we're going to use the switch panel now, and I'm going to fit it somewhere around here so I can just start it from here now.
Okay.
But I think that's all right, man. It's
Good.
I actually thought this was a bit more going to be like this, but it's not. and the seat's already here. So when that moves over a bit, I think that'll be even more better. But there's not going to be any bars inside here, though.
No,
because that's all underneath.
Underneath.
Okay, wicked.
Yeah, because it just kind of made sense because you're so familiar with the car in its current form. You know, the pedal box position, even the feel of the floor.
Yeah.
You know, if we were to put the tubes on top, straight away you've got an issue with your heels.
Yes.
And basically the entire footbox area is going to feel a lot different. So we'd have to put a heel pad on. Then your feet are that much further up, so you haven't got the same feel on the clutch.
Yeah.
And so it's just like, right, okay, I think in this case it's going to be better off putting the tubes underneath, and especially because you got the sill extensions, just kind of made more sense, you know.
No, definitely.
It is a real pain to put the tubes on the top because you have to cut into the tunnel in two places.
Yeah.
And that's not to mention obviously the shape of the floor in the first instance. We've done it both ways, to be fair.
You know this part, is this a bit more this way, or did that used to be more further back? Do you remember? Or?
It's probably in a pretty similar position.
Okay. It just feels like there's more room with this one for some.
That might be because it's smaller.
Oh,
because
okay.
On this spec, because it's like an entire safety cell, you can go down to 1.25" on that tube there if it's within the A-pillar tubes. Some chassis cars, like the one we're building over there, this tube actually intersects this tube, so this tube is in two pieces.
Okay,
if you do this tube in one piece, you can have that tube as 1.25".
No, I understand that.
So that might be the reason why it looks
I'm just looking like that's going to be easier to paint.
Yeah, but on an 850 spec, you have to have that as 1.5". That's probably the difference, is you're used to seeing a larger tube there.
I understand that. No, that's great, man. That's amazing.
Like I say, the main thing to do for us is to build it as light as possible. So
okay, so I'll try and get back out. I think
to be fair, you've got no issue getting in and out.
No, that's all right.
That's all right.
Even though the 850 one was in, because I was a really big lad, it was hard, but I used to get in pretty quick and out. So for me, that's a big space. Do you know what I mean? For me to get in and out.
Yeah.
So.
Can't need to go on a diet.
So when I'm gonna go 180, the back's gonna flick up. People do that. So me and Saj have got a pizza bet from Greg. So I think that's a Beetle.
But it wouldn't be that hard.
I think it's a Citroen 2 Civic.
That's pretty serious.
Luke, what car is that?
Volvo SV something.
Okay, well, we had a bet at Greg's Pizza. I thought it was a Beetle. We thought it was a Citroen.
Citroen 2CV.
Who's closer?
Well, I don't
Citroen and
know.
Volvo are the same material.
No, I think I won. Because he said it's Volvo and I said Volkswagen, so we're in the V.
Nah.
You're in the C.
No. You have to go geographical. You have to go geographical. So, what's closest to Sweden? Germany or France?
I
think you still win.
Yeah,
I think you still win. Sorry?
What year is it?
Believe it or not, it's like a 63. 40s, I think.
You lost either way, you owe me a pizza. Simple.
Lies.
Let's go to Manchester and have them gold steaks, you know, in gold bars and stuff.
Forfeit and Samuel going to be.
Alright.
There we go. The trend started. That's so peaceful, isn't it? Let's try and get it in. If not, then
Don't start a removal company, Jam. If you ever see this guy in Birmingham, run. And if you see this guy in the street, you better run.
But Luke,
if we're down,
thank you very much, man. I appreciate it,
See
man.
you soon, man. Take care.
Thank you.
So let's go to the Greg's. Oh, Jammy, can't you see? I need a pizza because I am hungry. So you look like a fruit pastels packet.